welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly vlog. So I am just now going to insert a clip that I filmed yesterday, but I didn't really introduce the video properly. I just kind of said hi, it's Sunday. So I'm going to insert that now. Hi guys, it is Sunday the 15th and I am just about to go out because I've got to go to rehearsals, which I didn't realise I had today. I have no idea why. My brain just thought we were doing it today. But apparently we are, and my video is currently uploading, which is a little bit annoying, so I feel I'm going to have to just leave the computer on. And the only way for me to leave the computer on is I have to leave a video playing. Otherwise the screen will go off and it won't upload the video. So I'm going to have to go out and leave the computer playing on a video. But I think we should only be a couple of hours or something like that, so hopefully it'll be all good. So yeah, I thought I would just start this vlog. The office slash salon is still in progress. It's not like done at all. But yeah, it's definitely looking better, and I've got like that little corner. I really like that little corner. I think it's super cute. So once it's all done, obviously I'll give you a proper overview, and I might do a tour as well, so that'll be good. So yeah, I thought I would just start this vlog off and let's see what happens in this week's vlog. And yes, today is now Monday. We are back at school and I'm just doing my makeup because I'm gonna film a makeup video to go with those like fiery nails that I showed you. I'm gonna do like a fiery orangey reds makeup eye look and like link the two videos together somehow. Like I'll just be like, oh, this is a makeup look to go with these nails kind of thing. I just think that's kind of fun and different, and yeah, I want to try do things that not everybody else does and kind of make things a little bit more fun. So that I'll check in with you guys. That's what I'm doing now. I'm just doing my base and then I'm gonna film the eye makeup. It's nearly 9:30. I wanted to have the film done by 10, which actually might be done-ish by about 10. And then I start work with Little Einsteins at 11:30. And I really need a nap at some point. I have like an hour before after school pickup where I could have a little cheeky little nap, because I didn't sleep very well because I was up till like 2 AM again last night, and then obviously up at 7. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. But yes, let's get this makeup done. Right guys, this is the makeup that I came up with, by the way. I just thought I'd show y'all. I've now got an hour. I've just finished. So I literally work like 3 separate shifts with one of my businesses, and then the hours in between I work on IdleGirl. So I have an hour now to work on IdleGirl before I have to go pick the kids up, and then I'll be working till 6, and then we're going to Greg's mum and dad's for tea. I am so tired, but I'm hoping that now if I stay up, if I don't have this nap that I wanted, I might be able to sleep tonight. Doesn't usually happen, but I really want to try and get myself into like a good routine. Am I really greasy and oily? I really want to get myself into like a good routine. I'm just gonna, I've got a couple of orders to sort out, so I'm gonna do that now. Maybe do a bit more tidying in here and try organise a bit more in here, because it's not finished obviously. There's still like stuff everywhere that like just doesn't belong. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hi guys, it is Tuesday and I'm just editing that fiery, try and keep it still so that I'm staying focused. Okay, I'm just editing the fiery nail video. I'm so tired, but I did actually sleep better last night. I have my Red Thunder at hand while I edit this video. So that's what I'm doing now. I really want to do a set of nails on Eva, and I really want, I've got some nail guards that I'm wanting to sell on the site, and I need to test them out and see if they're going to be something that will work with the Poochie's hands. So I'm excited to try them out. I hope they work, because I've struggled with the peel off base coats. It's been a whole thing. So I'm gonna get this video finished. It's gonna be like half an hour-ish long. But yeah, it's exciting and the footage is good. Like, I feel like I've got the setup looking pretty good now. Let me know when you've seen the video. You'll have seen the video before you see this video, because the nail video is going up Thursday and obviously this will be up on Sunday. But let me know if you do think that they're like set up and the angle and everything seems better. There was a lot, it was in focus a lot more. I just think it's getting so much better now, guys. I'm really excited. I just want to film nail videos all week and just that be my job. Why can't that just be my job and like put them on YouTube and get paid for it? That'd be ace. Anyways, I need to get this finished, and yeah. Morning, guys. It's now Wednesday. I can't remember why I didn't end up vlogging anymore yesterday, but I didn't. But yeah, not much is going on today. I've just received some more primer for the hands, so I've sorted that out. Finally sorted out the Mia Secret Dangerous Goods delivery. It should be coming on Friday. I'm really excited to get all of that, and I'm looking into gel. I don't know if I already mentioned that, but now I'm looking into gel because it will be a lot easier to work with. I've just got some nail guards that I was wanting to try out, and I've got them on Sarah here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I've got them on Sarah here anyway, and I'm thinking about trying poppets on her, because I have a client that's wanting to come, like an actual real person that's wanting to come, and I'm thinking poppets might be the way to go. She doesn't want them like super long or anything, and I think she probably really just wants a gel polish on. She just wants them like quite nude, so I'm thinking I might give that a go. So I'm gonna have a little go on Sarah and just see if the nail guards work as well. So I think I might film it, obviously, so that I can get a video up for you guys. I'm getting really fat again, guys. I really am. I can't stop eating. Stupid woman. So I'm gonna do a bit more tidying and organising because it's a mess. And that's the plan for today. Guys, look what I got. This is so cool. I love it. Basically, I've just been using it to take some photos. But yeah, it's basically just like a little thing where you take like your photos in, product shots and stuff. And then I've got a couple of different backgrounds to go with it. I'm so tempted to try and source these to sell on my site, because I feel like it goes with the whole nail thing. Like if you take, even like people who have clients, you could like put your client's hand in there to get good pictures and stuff. But probably not going to happen because I won't be able to source it cheap enough to sell it cheap enough, if that makes sense. I could try, maybe, we'll see. Also, I don't know if did I show you guys this? I cannot wait to try this out. If this is decent, oh, I'm going to be selling this. This is Mia Secret. Like, it's to steam off, not to steam off, but like it helps you get your nails off, basically. I hate soaking nails off. I'm going to try it with a hand, and I might try it. I know I said I was adamant that I wasn't taking these nails off. I was going to infill. But now I'm thinking I might just have a go. I'm going to see what happens with the hands, and if it kind of like really works, then I'll see. But I've just done this set on Sarah, and I am actually very pleased with it. But I used poppets, so I wanted to have a go with the poppets. And also, this stamping polish is by Beauty Big Bang. Well impressed. They gave me basically they have this website, and they sell like all sorts of stuff, and they contacted me ages ago and asked me if I wanted to try a few things, and they let me pick out like, I think it was like about £10 worth of stuff, and I picked some stamping polishes and some gems and some glitters. I used the glitters in the lives. Do you remember those gold glitters that I used in the lives? They were really good. And then the stamping polish, and I'm well impressed. That was just one go, my first go. Come on, come on. That was literally just one go, bang. It's not perfect, there's a few bits missing, but that's like my own fault. I'm well impressed. Obviously, I've tried stamping with normal nail varnish and stuff, and found it very hard. So yeah, I'm quite impressed, quite happy. Quite like that little set of nails, I think they're quite cute. I'm trying out different shapes. I'm going to do some oval ones on Eva as well. I haven't got around to doing them yet, but yes. I'm obsessed with these hands. I love them so much. I really, really do. It sounds so strange, but I just love them so much. I wanted to come out with another colour so I can get another one. Make another colour, Poochie. But yeah, I think poppets were, I say poppets, dual forms, whatever you want to call them, was slightly difficult to do on the hand because I was panicking a bit, but it worked really well. I have videoed it, so that video will be up. I've already got a video for next Thursday. I'm trying to do nail videos on Thursdays if I haven't already said. But yeah, I might even get an extra one up, or I might just bank it for the week after, just so I'm not panicking and trying to get one done then. And if I get one done, I'll put it up sooner. I'm wanting to film this one on either, probably like today or tomorrow. I'm a bit obsessed. I just really enjoy doing it. So yeah, my skin's getting really bad. I'm obviously very stressed out. It's supposed to be really, really nice. And there is a little bit of blue sky, but it's quite grey and cloudy as well. It's not like super, super nice. So, Anyway, I have my little one arriving anytime now. So I'm going to go and get sorted for her. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hi guys. So it is, what day are we on? We're on Friday now. So I've really not vlogged very much this week, because I'm super rubbish. But I wanted to just come on and show you guys these. This lady has sent me these. And let me just find her on Facebook. I'm like, oh, thank you so much. I don't think she'll be watching this video. But, what did she message me on? That's the problem. Okay, yeah. So it's Bev Johnson. And I think she... Nails by Bev Johnson, Queen Bee. And then, so I think this is her like business, and it says on here, let me show y'all. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. Seriously, look at these. So it says Queen of Decals. I don't know if that's like her like name or something, but she's just sent me these super cute little decals. I don't know why we can't focus. Something weird going on with this camera lately, guys. But look, oh my god, I'm well excited about them. Now, I've never used decals ever before, so I like literally have no idea what to do. There are some instructions, which I'm really excited about, but I'm gonna do like a proper video on these. But I just thought I'd show you guys my little vloggies. I'm so excited! Look how cool they are! I'm well excited. Okay, I cannot wait. So if you do happen to watch this video, Bev, then thank you so, so much. I'm so excited to try these out. Definitely going to be doing some pictures and some videos. Whoop whoop. Okay guys, so my friend Alison is coming around soon. I've just finished work with the kids. And my hair's starting to fade a little bit now, but I still quite like it. Just hating the roots, guys. Hating the roots. I hate roots. Why do they even have to grow in? Anyways, so yeah, my friend Alison's coming around for a bit. I don't really know what the plan is, because she's just coming straight from work, so I don't know how long she's going to be here, what the plan is. But then later on tonight I might do a set of nails. I've got Eva all ready to go, like her nails are like in shape and stuff, ready for me to do them. So I can't wait, and I might try those decals out. Okay guys, it's the next day now, so it's nail Saturday. Quite a nice day outside, although obviously I'm still cold because I'm always freaking cold. And yesterday, me and Alison just chatted for a while, and then we watched what is it called? Obsidious. Do you know, the only reason I can't do it is because I have a child who has a very, very similar name, but different letters in different ways. But you know which film I mean though, right? We watched that. Greg, what's that film called? Insidious, that's it. It's because of Odysseus. I can't say it anymore. So, Insidious. Wow. So we watched that, and then yeah, then she went home and I just went to bed. So, yeah. So then today I'm going to hen party tonight, so not much. I'm just going to be right chilling today. I might do some nails. And then I thought I would let you see how the garden's getting on. So, Greg's just trying to get this out, but we've got like the patio area bit done, which I don't think I showed you that before. And we're gonna have like this to plant, maybe like a little bit of planting, and then the pebbles. So yeah, it's starting to come on a little bit now. And Greg's just trying to get this tree trunk out. Dogs are loving it. Greg's dad's just come round because they're going to take some rubbish to the tip, which is good. I'm just trying to get some washing dried and we have a little patio. I love it. It's so cute. My little brother's just come round for a bit and he's trying to dig out this trunk.
I don't know, paparazzi. I'm not just going to dig.
Why? Just dig.
I'm not f***ing
Jordan, dig.
No, that's making me cringe.
Why?
I don't like it.
Such a geek. You can say hello if you want.
Hello. It's me.
This is my little brother. You might remember him from the Christmas vlogs.
Yeah.
Quite drunk.
So the thing is, like, everyone at work watches your videos, so I just don't really want to be a part of it.
Why?
Still see me.
I'm putting this in. So if you work with Jordan, he doesn't want to be on the vlogs because he's embarrassed because he's a little geek. So, hi, if you work with my brother, hi. We're just trying to get this tree trunk out and I think Jordan has done it. Yay! Yes! Greg couldn't do it. Jordan to the rescue. Whoa. That is big. Right guys, I am all ready to go. I'm not feeling these eyelashes, although they feel okay now. They were annoying me earlier. They don't look that bad, I suppose, but I don't know whether to take my hair out. My plan was I put it in plaits so that I could take it out and it would be like nicer, curlier. But now I'm thinking I might just keep it in because it's warm and stuff as well. Like I might just keep it in. I'm just going to put some jewellery on, need to find some shoes, and then I'm going to go to Natalie's house. And I'm not sure if I will end up vlogging anymore, but I've just realised I'm probably going to be hungover tomorrow. I might not drink that much actually tonight. I get just really bad hangovers. But then I'm thinking I need to get this vlog edited for tomorrow night. So, oops. Oh dear, and I haven't uploaded any footage to the computer or anything, so my bad. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And I'll see y'all soon. Look at the state of me. It is now Sunday, guys, and I am gonna just end the vlog here. I'm just feeling bad, but it's getting on now and I need to really get this all edited and uploaded and yeah, ready to go in a few hours. So I'm gonna love you and leave you guys here, and I will see you in next week's vlog, and I'll see you in tomorrow's Monday makeup anyway, or makeup Monday, whatever it is. I love you. Bye.